Processes and clear work procedures ensure the efficiency and traceability of operative tasks. Fabasoft eGov-Suite provides the right functions to optimally and efficiently develop and individually shape processes, whether case handling or other business processes. We find ourselves now in the Fabasoft eGov-Suite 2012 work list. The work list is the central point for workflows. Here, the user can, on the one hand, see which activities need to be completed, and on the other hand, trigger further steps. Concretely, the user sees the respective activity, the corresponding business object, the recommended work items, and other additional information which can be predefined and individually adapted. An activity is a concrete processing stage in the workflow. A work item is a functionality recommended for this process. An activity can involve multiple work items. According to the definition of the activity, the individual work items can either be opened once, such as the assignment of the filing plan, or multiple times, for example the editing of properties. The labeling takes place according to status with an arrow or a green tick once the work item is completed. Furthermore, work items can be deactivated until a certain status is reached, or if access rights are insufficient. These are marked with a red cross and faded out. For example, no incoming item can be opened in the activity Process Outgoing. The processing takes place directly in the work list or by opening the relevant detailed view with a double click on the activity. There is also the possibility, via user settings, to be informed by email of new activities, and then to open these directly out of the mail application. The opened activity consists of a detailed view, which now shows the possible work items, further functions, and a display of the business objects in the document area. In this example, we're editing the metadata and creating an outgoing item in the context of the existing business case. In the next step, the activity could now be completed. But first, we want to forward the activity in the workflow. For this, we choose the function Add New Activities to integrate further users into the workflow. We select the desired activity and the corresponding participants, in this case concrete users, for each processing stage in the workflow, and confirm this by clicking on the button Take. Abstract participants, groups, positions, or entire distribution lists and combinations of these can of course also be defined. The entries are shown instantly in the graphical workflow display. Activities can take place sequentially and in parallel. In order to carry out activities in parallel, in other words simultaneously, they can be moved into the desired position by drag and drop. In addition, dates for the individual activities can also be assigned. This supports processing in due time through notifications before the deadline. These individually defined ad hoc workflows can be saved as templates for further use. Alongside ad hoc workflows, predefined structured processes can also be created by users with admin rights. These can then contain further process elements such as conditions and repetitions. With Fabasoft eGov-Suite 2012, you have your business processes elegantly under control, whether structured, partly structured, or ad hoc workflows.